How's it guys and girls, I'm back on a new permission today, and as you guys can see today I'm going to use the Daystate Alpha Wolf in 22 caliber, shooting the JSP redesigned 25 grain pellets at around 940 feet per second. And as you guys can see, I've also got the Vector Optics Continental mounted on the Daystate Alpha Wolf today, and this is the 4x24x56 first focal plane, and just an amazing scope. So today on this permission I've got some new things to shoot. It's going to be ground squirrels, rock pigeons, and a lot of Indian miners that I also need to take care of. Now this is not like with my previous videos at the dairy farm where there's tons of birds at once that I need to shoot. This is more chilled. So hopefully today is going to make for exciting shots, and hopefully I can please the farmer as well with getting some good results for him as well. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Oh, solid shot in the head. That was a cracking shot. Top shot. Down 46 meters. Another one bites the dust. 46 meters again. There's just a ton of them here. Cracking shot. The wind is really messing me around today. Oh, beautiful shot. Hard and long shot at 120 meters. Not too bad. I quickly went to fetch one of the ground squirrels that I shot, and I'm going to show you now. On the scope cam footage you can actually see them jumping around quite a bit after I shot them and so on, and it looks like some of the shot placements are just, you know, not done well, but it's not the case. Like with this ground squirrel, I shot it right here behind the shoulder, so this is a heart and lung shot. I think more lungs than heart, and then they jump around because they're not dead instantly. Now I can go for a headshot, but it's extremely difficult, and the margin for error is way bigger than going for a bigger part of the body. So that's the reason why I try to go for heart and lung and stuff like that. If I can go for a headshot, I'll do that because it's way more humane. But with the wind like it is today, it is a little bit difficult to be very specific right on the head, and because of the ranges that I'm shooting at, it makes it very difficult as well. Now you might wonder, why don't I go closer then? The problem with that is, because it's open field here, they can see me from a mile away. So if I go in closer, they're just going to run off. So I'm sitting about 150, 160 meters away, and I just take the shots. Now there are fairly a lot of miss shots, but I'd rather miss completely than injure these little ones and you know, just not doing it ethical. So I'll stick with the hard and long shots. I think that's the best for today. That was around 50-ish meters. See, the wind picked up a little bit and pushed the pellet towards the heart and lungs. It's not a headshot what I was liking to go for, but it is one of those things. But luckily I took it down, and it expired in a few seconds. Right here I was very lucky to get away with this shot cleanly. Unfortunately I forgot to reset my turrets to 0 after the previous shot, but luckily for me the pellet still made contact where I wanted to. So remember, always reset your turrets to 0 after your previous shot. About 40-ish meters. That's a clean kill. 50 meters.
Net te sê een jaar uit was nie. Dit was net meer vir die groot mense.
Ja, hulle party.
Oeps, dood.
Ja, daar is hy, hy's reg.
Unfortunately, my time has run out for today, but I'll definitely be back on this farm to shoot more ground squirrels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.